Hi guys, Jamie from Indie Fiber Art. Today I'm going to show you how to do the magic circle. So you're going to hold your tail end and wrap your working yarn around your finger. Go under that first loop and grab your working yarn and pull through. Now I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, and I've created a little circle that I can work my single crochets around. So I've got 1, 2, and you usually want at least 6 to create a full circle. Make sure you're working over your loop and your tail. That's important. When you have the number of stitches that you need, you just take your tail and pull it tight to create your circle. Now you can begin working in the round.